Right, my colleague Indrajit Kundu now joining me live from the Brigade Parade ground in Kolkata. Indrajit, give us a sense of the crowds that have gathered at the venue. The TMC was aiming to have 40 lakh people on the grounds. Have they managed to get anywhere close to that figure?
Well, Paunami, that's right. You know, by a conservative estimate, as we have been saying, that the Brigade Parade ground can hold up to 1 million people. And the Trinamool says that it's going to break all records by bringing 40 lakh. You know, it's not possible for me to give you a head count, but let the visuals talk for themselves. You know, as far as my vision goes, I can only see, you know, Trinamool supporters gathered here. You know, thousands and thousands of them. So we'll have to wait and see and get an estimate from the Kolkata police. But a conservative estimate would say a few lakhs have already come in. So this is, of course, a huge challenge, a prestige show for the Trinamool Congress. It's a show of strength in front of leaders of 20 political parties today. And the stage is, of course, set. In about an hour's time, Trinamool Congress Supremo Mamata Banerjee will be coming to the stage. I'll ask my camera person to come and show that there's music by a band. They're trying to entertain the crowds. They have been here since long, early in the morning. And the who's who of Bengali entertainment industry on this dais can be seen. There is, you know, Trinamool Congress MPs there, leaders there, but also a host of starlets, people from the intellectual community, authors, writers, filmmakers, all of them there. So this is a complete show of strength. You know, it just goes on to show how all-pervasive the Trinamool Congress influence is here in West Bengal. And therefore, you know, this will be on show. The showcase will be in front of all leaders from the opposition parties here in Kolkata. And therefore, as we are saying, that this grand show is rich in optics, because the Trinamool Congress want to send across a message that as far as this anti-Modi front is concerned, whether it happens before the elections or post-poll scenario, Mamata Banerjee will play a crucial role, and she's obviously one of the 4 front runners as far as the candidate of the Prime Minister's post is concerned. Back to you.
Right, Indrajit, stay on with us because we'll of course keep coming back to you through this broadcast.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.